Alright, I think there was some confusion with what's going on with my car. I need to do this kind of quick because I don't even know if it'll work. Yes, so the lights turn on when I unlock the door the first time, and they stay on, until I put the key in, and I turn it. Lights come on, try to start it, won't start, all lights go off. If I open the door, there's a ticking from behind the dash, and you can still maybe see the theft light blinking. Everything else is dead. The stereo doesn't turn back on. The only thing that happens is this blinking of the theft light. Actually, right now it's kind of weird because it's not ticking. It usually ticks. It sounds like behind the cluster, but yeah, so that's what's going on. It's not the starter. It's not the battery. I just replaced it yesterday, and it's been doing basically that exact same thing every time. If I leave it for a while, it'll do just that again. When I open the door back up, it'll turn on the light, and then as soon as I put in the key and turn it, then it does this exact same thing, cuts the lights, and the only thing that happens is this blinking theft. So yeah.